My name is Brittany Green, and the video that I watched and will be talking about today is Classroom Management, Behavioral Supports Motivation, and Reflective Teaching. First, I want to talk about the importance on differentiate learning. Different learners have different needs. They all learn in different ways. Some of those are visual, auditory, reading, writing, and kinesthetic. Me personally, I'm a hands-on learner, and that's how I learn best. But everyone works and operates just a little bit differently, and it's very important to know how a student or worker may learn to help teach them in a way that best helps them and suits them to learn. It can help them with future jobs and also continuing on to their education. It can also help the teachers better instruct the students so that the students are able to take in more of that information. In the video, some of the things that I've learned in that video was know your classroom management style. You can develop your management design by using setting, structure, motivation, interchange, engagement, excitement. In settings, you want to know how you design your physical classroom. In structure, you want to know how you design processes and procedures in the classroom. And motivation, how your students learn and work. Interchange, how your students how to talk to your students. Engagement, how you design your day to have the students involved. And then excitement, the presence that you bring to the classroom to get those students excited. You use these to develop your strengths and areas of improvements. If you see something that's not working, that's where you can develop these things. Once you develop your expectations, you need to stay consistent on that. If what you are doing is not working and the students are not learning like they should, then you need to adjust the way that you are teaching. When the class is properly managed, it helps both the students and the teachers in the classroom. You need to have positive expectations on all students. No matter, one student might be a student that misbehaves a lot, but you still need to have those positive expectations. Treat everyone equally and fairly. Use strategies. You can use preventive, supportive, and corrective. There is collaboration between special educators and CTE educators. Ways that you can collaborate is using the high leverage practice. This is used to help all teachers be successful with helping students with any needs or disability. It can also provide positive and constructive feedback. Students with disabilities need to be specific. Teach social behaviors not always known. Students need to know how and when to use these behaviors. Collaborate with other professionals and organize effective faculty, student, and professional meetings. Transition teachers. These are where teachers may not actually be teachers. They're doing some career field in some other way and then decided they wanted to start teaching. They most of the time have never even taught before and now have to learn how to teach students and manage that classroom with all behavior needs and disabilities. So it's like a complete new thing for them. One size does not fit all. So you have to keep in mind that one student is not the next student. All right. So my strategies that I developed on how to work and train learners in my work environment who have a disability is, first off, always learn the employees and how they learn best. I think this is really big because, again, everybody learns completely differently. You want to learn how that person best learns so you can best teach them in a way that will be more sufficient for everyone involved. Next, help all employees know what may be challenges and work together for resolution. So if you have someone that you are working with who has a disability, you want to get everyone involved in helping in ways that can help accommodate that other person. Work together, be a team. You want to always stay positive and consistent with everyone. With that person with the disability, you want to stay positive and consistent, but with the person without a disability, you also want to stay positive and consistent because people have eyes and ears. They can see how you're treating everyone. So you want to treat everyone equally and always stay positive. Another big thing that I really would like to develop is when you are training new people coming in or people who just need updates on training, create a clear and user-friendly training program that one can easily refer to and can always develop with while performing the job. Anyone with disabilities may not be able to understand everything as easily, but having something that has step-by-step instructions that they can always refer back to could help them be more self-efficient. Also develop a buddy system where the employees always have someone they can go to as a mentor. This is really big. If they have someone they can always rely to and that is their mentor person, this will help them feel confident, also help them have that person they can always reach out to.